Okay, so this tutorial video is going to teach you how to schedule notifications to occur using a timer. So this will work outside of the app. So the first thing you need to add is this import user notifications line right here. Um, and that'll let you have access to all the stuff that you need. The next thing you need to add is the UN user notification center delegate. Um, After that, you want to make your notification center that you're going to be using for all of the stuff later on. I like to do this outside of a function because you can change it later and have access to it in other places if it is outside of a function. So before you're able to do any notifications, you have to register for notifications, and that's what this part does right here. So I'm gonna run this real quick, and what this will do is it'll do a pop-up that'll ask for if you want to let the app send you notifications. So you want to hit allow when this pops up. And that is all you need to get ready to schedule. The next thing that you need to do is use this schedule local function right here. So there's a couple main parts. You want to first start by doing this let content equals UN mutable notification content. So that pretty much tells what's going to be in your notification. And you do the title and type in a string of whatever words you want, and then the body, which is usually the main text of why. And I'll show you what that looks like later. The next thing you need is a trigger like this. I called it time trigger because it occurs after a certain time interval. For this, it's 10 seconds. Whatever this number is the number of seconds. And I don't have it repeating right now. The last thing you need before actually adding this notification is the request. And that's this next line right here. And you need to say what your content is right up here, and your trigger that you want to use right here. And then to actually schedule it, you need to do this next command, center.add time request. And that will let you do whatever you want. So I have all this hooked up so I can use a button over here, this schedule notification button. And then after 10 seconds, it should pop up. So I'm going to wait a little bit here. And there they are. And you can see the different sizes of text. I hit it 4 times, so it scheduled 4 notifications. And then you can see that if you scroll down, and they're right here. So I'm going to clear all these out. And then we'll go back into the app, and I'm going to show you this one last thing that I had. This is the remove pending notification line. So what it does is when you hit the schedule notification button a bunch of times. Normally it would make all the notifications happen like you saw before, right here. And sometimes you don't want all of those. So this line right here, center.remove all pending notification requests, will let you remove them. So if I hit this schedule notification button a bunch of times and then hit remove scheduled, then you can see after 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, there hasn't been a notification when there normally would have, because I hit the button a bunch of times, as you can see. It actually removed all that, so it won't actually perform that notification. One last trick that I had was if you want to test the first part, the register for notifications, it's not gonna keep popping up that thing. So what you're gonna want to do is when you're in the simulator to retest it, you can go into hardware and then erase all content and settings, and then you will be able to check over and over if your register for notification permission thing actually worked. And that's all that I'm covering in this video. Thanks for watching.